Yo people, we are back with another vlog. Today we are back into PLYMOUTH ARGYLE. We're going to go watch another match. There's ARGYLE versus PORTSMOUTH tonight, so it's a derby. And yeah, I'm on my way to the bus right now, and I'll see you guys probably in town. So yeah, peace. May as well get that intro started as well. Yes, people, we're into town. Look at NPC right here. This is the main character for the fucking video today. But yeah, we're at a fair. Not even a fair, is it? Bonfire night today. So we're going to the fair for a bit, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy it. We'll get some clips in of the rides, innit, Alex?
Yeah.
Show me your excited face, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we're on a ride. Hopefully.
Yay!
Come on.
Here we go.
This is how we should be done. Andy Whitney, drop it.
Everybody, everywhere, let me see your hands in the air. Come on, put them up.
This is Batman! Featuring all the biggest tracks from my festival and I think the sets. From 10-day Tuesdays, just hit ARGYLE.com. Let's go! I'm gonna die!
Hey, come on, yeah. Go faster. Somebody scream.
Ah!
And hey, shake it out.
Yeah! Come on! Yeah!
Okay, runners, is everybody happy? Do you want to do it some more? Okay, let's do it one more time. Faster.
Come on! No, no, faster! Hey!
Runners, by yourself, come to the next one. If you like to ride, join us now.
Oh, God of the ass! Oh! I'm sick! I'm gonna be sick! Whoa, 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 whoa! That's not a diamond! Come on! Come on! Come on! Jumping around! We have got the power! This is power! Ba, 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 ba.
Runners, selfies for the cash checks for the next one. If you like to ride, join us now.
Fuck no! I ain't doing that again!
One more time, everybody, everywhere, hands in the air, come on, put them up.
Wait! What the fuck? Hey! I want me! Woo!
Guys, we're off the ride now. That was stressful. Alex, what are you going to say?
Very good.
What do you think of the ride? What do you think
I
of
think
the
the
ride?
price was a bit overpriced at $5.
Yeah, five was mental, but it was good. It
We
was
had to do it.
It was fun. It was worth the experience. Are we going this way? Yeah, I think no worries. But yeah, the ride itself wasn't bad. I enjoyed it. But now we are on our way to where, Alex?
My house.
Oh, no, okay, yeah. We're on his way to his house, but we're going to Home Park. We shall watch Argyle versus Portsmouth. So, yeah.
Derby days.
Not derby. Yeah, Dockyard derby, but not like a proper derby. But yeah, it'll be a good game.
People.
And yeah, hopefully we get to see some fireworks at Home Park, to be fair.
I want to see flares. I want to see fights.
Yeah, no, there won't be that. That'll be up in Plymouth versus Exeter. But yeah,
I want to see
I'll see you guys at Alex's house, and I'll see you guys at Home Park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
30 minutes from kick-off in Home Park, where we're back at home taking on Portsmouth. And as we close on kick-off, let me take you through tonight's teams.
Alex, what are your expectations?
We're gonna win. We're gonna win.
Hopefully.
What are you doing? Filming. Let me film. I want feel. Beautiful. No filming.
Alec, what do you think of that, mate?
Don't know what to say.
Pause. Before we get back into the video, 51% of you guys have not subscribed to the channel, so let's make sure to subscribe. And yeah, enough waffling, let's get back into the video.
I really didn't know who's that person. Is it chill dude there?
Half time. Alec Ports.
I discovered the same.
He's got nothing to say. Terrible first half, but let's hope the second half gets better. And now we're going to go meet some other boys. Yeah. Half time's about to start. Here we go. Alec, tell him.
We're going to start the second half.
Are we going to win now, Alex?
Yes, we're scoring.
Hopefully.
Oh,
already a foul. Oh no.
This is not starting off very well. That's all I can say.
Alec, goal question mark?
Goal question mark.
Goal question mark, here we go.
No maybe question.
Oh, they didn't take it properly. Oh, Freddie Sacco. Shoot! Alec, that should have went in, didn't it? That should have went in. Here we go. Here we go. Goal here, right? Goal here.
Go, let him get to it, pass it wide, yeah.
Go whip it.
Here we go.
Corner again. Another corner. Alec, will they score from this?
I don't think so.
I think they will, I don't know why.
Keeper's having an amazing save right
Yeah,
now.
to be fair.
Like I said, there'll be a clean sheet at the end of this game for Plymouth Argyle, but we will have to wait and see for the end.
Yeah, you had the man. Here we go. What's going to happen?
They were saying it. It's going to be a shot, I think.
He's going to go top right, isn't it?
It's going to be a shot, but we need to wait for the rebound. It'll be quite a good shot, but I think the keeper has the ability to save this.
Just for the analysis. Oh my god.
Wait.
Thoughts on that, Alex?
Terrible. I thought there would be a low ball.
That was terrible. We thought we were going to score, but we didn't.
Substitution for Argyle. Coming off is number 28, Rami Al-Hajj.
Al-Hajj, my Muslim brother.
He has already done that.
Muslim brother.
He's being replaced by number 11, Callum Wright. And also coming off is number 35,
It's offside, though. It's offside. It's offside. The goal's offside. He was offside. Oh, that's it. Yeah, he was offside. Morgan Whittaker was offside, but that line, it's getting closer. Go in the next 10 minutes. More words. Go in the next 10 minutes. Alec, can you give us a quick game analysis of the past 60 minutes?
Argyle started off quite, I would have to say, slowly, but chaos, passes aren't being played on time, everything just not clicking. Now, we have just saw a good part from Argyle, but we'll see what's going on because we're not in the best situation now. Well done. Yes, go. We'll hope to see more improvement soon.
Alright, stop yapping now, okay? That's fine. Enough.
The new substitutions have made a lot. Go! How has this happened?
Alec, 72nd minute. Give us an analysis of the last 10 minutes.
We have played a lot better right now. I don't think that should have been a foul right there.
Mention about the disallowed goal as well.
The disallowed goal, it was offside in my opinion. There was not much to it. I thought it was offside since when the ball was played. So, not much to say. I say it's a good 15 minutes. Right. We need to carry on this way.
He is waffling.
I'm not waffling, I'm saying the truth.
He is just waffling. But yeah. Next goal within 2 minutes.
Oh, that's
There were so many chances for Argyle to score, but in the next clip, after the next clip, see what happens for yourself.
That was not going in. Alex, what do you think of that, mate?
They had one shot, now they're trying again. It's not working.
That is shocking. We are out of form right now. I mean, I was wrong. There's no goals within the next 10 minutes, wasn't there? Alex, what do you think?
I want money, Scott. I want money.
Why?
Because you owe me money, because you said there'll be a goal and then they'll go.
I didn't say money, mate.
No? This was free.
Alex, what do you think of Wayne Rooney ball?
It's okay, I think it still needs to improve, but we scored.
Alex, can you spot Wayne Rooney in the crowd? There he is. There.
Goal from the summer. Okay, we'll see.
Including 1,143 away fans. Thank you for your fantastic support.
1,043 fans. Away fans, I mean. There we go. Come on, our goal.
Okay, then went silent.
Finish it, finish it.
Oh, I like that, man. Oh, that's not the best.
Oh my god. That's gone far.
Yes. Number 14. Above, I mean, not there. And then,
Blow the whistle.
Alec, what time is it?
Time to go home.
No, full time, mate. You dumbass. Alec, who's over there?
Rudy.
Rudy. Where's he gone?
You're meant to see on SMTV.
Huh?
You're meant to see him on SMTV.
Yeah, but I saw him now. Alex,
Yeah.
Give us your post-match analysis on the game.
All I can say is the score is the only thing that counts. In the
Okay.
future, we'll only see the score. We will not be seeing how we played today. I
Okay.
think that we deserved the draw, but I'm happy with everyone.
Someone just died.
Shot. Pew, pew.
Yeah, but you can't even see me in the dark, can you? But... Right, so we're out of the stadium. Alex Fulton.
Yeah.
He's already done his little post-match analysis.
Can't believe it.
But yeah, Devo, what do you think?
A little bit chaotic at the start, I say.
Yeah, it was really chaotic. But
In the second half, different team.
we're good in
Playing a lot better.
yeah.
And then, of course, we weren't great on the whole. We got lucky that we scored that goal. And we
Yeah,
got lucky that we
yeah,
didn't get
true,
scored.
yeah.
We got lucky that the game didn't run away.
But anyways, we got to thank Levi, who supplied us with the tickets last minute. Yeah, I mean, he messaged me last night, and yeah, we got to thank him for it. But other than that, the game itself was really well. Other than the first half being really shit, but other than that, the second half was really well. We got one offside goal, but it doesn't really matter because we still won the game. But yeah, other than that, should we end the video, Alex?
Yeah.
Go on, you end the video, Alex.
Goodbye. Good night. Have a good day.